Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Capitec Topup Voucher with the app. Now the first thing I want you to do is launch the app, come to the bottom panel, click on Transact. Now from here, I want you to just click on Buy Vouchers, okay? Click on Buy Vouchers, and then right here under Vouchers, you'll actually see Capitec Topup Voucher. So you can choose this one to just top up, or if you want to buy as well, what you can do is you can choose Pick and Pay, this one, or any other vouchers, right? You can go ahead and use, so let's do this one, and then choose from where you'll be, spending. So there's your savings account, how much you want to go ahead and get the voucher for, right? And then where you want it to be sent. So either your cell phone number, or you can enter a recipient name, and then you can just buy it. Or you could just redeem it from the other section right here, top up. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.